Honorable members, I have to inform the House the sad demise of one of our esteemed friends, Sri Biju Patnaik. Vijayananda Patnaik was a sitting member of the Lok Sabha representing Aska parliamentary constituency of Orissa. Affectionately known to the common people as Biju Patnaik, he hailed from a family of freedom fighters, ideologues, and patriots in Cuttack, state of Orissa. During his formative years, he came under the impact of Mahatma Gandhi and the great nationalist sons of Orissa, Gopabandhu Das and Madhusudan Das. He joined the freedom struggle and actively participated in the Quit India movement in close association with Aruna Ashraf Ali and her underground activities against the British. He underwent imprisonment from 1943 to 1946 in the Red Fort, New Delhi, Firozpur, Lahore, and Cuttack. He dared the Dutch, and with the support of the Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, threw his lot at considerable personal risk with the freedom fighters of Indonesia in their struggle for independence. He was associated with Nepalese democratic movement as well. The services he rendered to the nation at the call of Panditji in the area of diplomacy at the time of Chinese aggression in 1962 are part of our history. His great contribution to the country's democracy was the role he played tenaciously and repeatedly in Orissa and at the national level for forging opposition unity through times of factional politics. Indeed, he proved that the delight of political life is as well in the opposition. Like Hamilton and Madison, the framers of the American Constitution, Biju Patnaik believed that the national unity should be preserved through federalism. For him, federalism was an economic doctrine, not a political slogan. He even called for a United States of India in which financial resources would equitably flow to the states consistent with their exploitable natural resources. He was a socialist at heart, and Acharya Narendra Dev, Jayaprakash Narayan, and Minu Masani were his role models. One with Prime Minister Chaudhry Charan Singh, he believed that the backbone of the country was a strong peasantry and wanted modernization of agriculture. At the same time, the natural entrepreneur and founder of Kalinga Airlines and Orissa Textiles Mill, as he was, he wanted agrarian feudalism to be dismantled and industrial revolution to take place. In the 60s, when he was Chief Minister of Orissa for the first time, along with Governor Ayodhanath Khosla, he launched the Decade of Destiny and ushered in an era of industrialization in the state. Later in the 90s, again when he was Chief Minister of Orissa, industrialization continued to be his obsession, and in keeping with a dynamic world and national economic scenario, wanted public sector enterprises to gain strength through exposure to market forces. He was nostalgic and aesthetic about Oriya maritime traditions, and Paradip Port was in no small measure due to his initiatives. Strongly believing in the lean and lively bureaucracy, he fearlessly advocated economy in expenditure as a steady style of governance rather than as an off-on formula of austerity to be applied during times of financial strain. A true believer in the empowerment of women, he practiced it by establishing 1/3 reservation for women, not merely in local bodies, but in government jobs. Kalinga Foundation and Prize, set up by him, is an everlasting testimony of his ideal of modernization of society through dissemination of science. Biju Patnaik had a colorful political career. Starting off as a member of Royal Air Force, he romanced between aviation, entrepreneurship, and politics. and settled down for a political life which lasted for 4 decades. With his heart in Orissa and mind in New Delhi, he shared his public life between the state and the center. He was a member of 6th, 7th, and 8th Lok Sabhas, representing Kendrapara parliamentary constituency during 1977 to 79, 1980 to 84, and 84 to 85. He was Union Minister of Steel, Mines and Coal during 1977 to 80. He had been a member of the Rajya Sabha in 1971. He had also been a member of the Orissa Legislative Assembly for 7 terms and was Chief Minister of the state during 1961 and 63 and 92 to 96. During 96-97, he was Chairman of the Standing Committee of Finance in the Parliament. Sri Biju Patnaik passed away on 17 April 1997 at New Delhi at the age of 81 after a brief illness. We deeply mourn the loss of this great son of our country, and I am sure the House will join me in conveying our condolences to the bereaved family.